Welcome to Lane Credit University. My name's Conrad Layn. This is Credit Cards for Dummies, but you're no dummy. I just use that as a title to match the dummy series. Like learn how to build a card for dummies. So no offense, please. You're not a dummy because you're here learning at Lane University. But anyways, Credit Cards for Dummies. This is what it is. There's personal credit cards. There's business credit cards. Personal credit cards are a tool as well as business credit cards. I'm sure you know that already. But the way you're supposed to use this, you're supposed to keep your utilization under 30%. I would say from my personal experience, keep it under 10%, but you do what you want to do. You do that and you pay your bill off within that month, you will start to actually get a good report card from the credit bureaus, and your report card is your credit score. Your teachers are the credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion on a personal side, and on a business side is Duns & Bradstreet and a few others, but that doesn't matter. What matters mostly is keeping your utilization rate 10% or below, or 30% or below, whatever you like. And you do that, and what utilization rates is on the business credit card or personal credit card, it just means, for example, whatever your credit limit is, let's say it's $1,000, 10% would be $100 of $1,000 you use per month, but you're paid off before the month ends, and 30% or below would be $300 or less of the $1,000 credit limit. As long as you keep it 10% or 30% of the credit limit of the credit card, doesn't matter if it's business credit card or a personal credit card, that's how you start building your credit card, and that's basically the basics 101 Credit Card for Dummies. Like, subscribe, share, currently now. And you're no dummy. You're smart, so you're here.